In order not to make the texture angular in the even rows, we crochet half of the single crochets at the beginning of the row and the remaining single crochets at the end of the row. Now let's turn off the 8 single crochets. I'm going to crochet 4 single crochets at the beginning, place your marker, make 2 single crochets together, 1 and 2. Make 8 single crochets in next 8 stages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make 2 single crochets together, make 8 single crochets in next 8 stages, then make 2 single crochets together. Now I'm going to crochet the remaining single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a single crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Make a single crochet until the end of the row. I'm going to crochet puff stitches all around the oval. It should be crocheted to the center of the big circle. Now let's crochet the puff stitches. Start with the chain 3, turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook in first stitch and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, insert your hook in next stitch, yarn over and pull up loop once, yarn over and pull up loop twice, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, insert your hook in next stitch, yarn over and pull up loop once, yarn over and pull up loop twice and 3 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, once more, skip 1 stitch, yarn over end, pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, keep going, continue all around the oval. I crocheted all around the oval. At the end, make a double crochet in the last stitch. Make a double crochet, chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet in first stitch, make a single crochet in each stitch, make a single crochet, make a single crochet, make a single crochet all around the oval. Make a single crochet in the straight line. Keep going. I crochet single crochets in the straight line. Turn your work. Now let's crochet reverse single crochet. This has been tied. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a single crochet. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a reverse single crochet. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in the previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops to make a reverse single crochet. Keep going. I crocheted reverse single crochets all around the oval. Now let's cut the yarn off then burn the tail yarn, burn the yarn, join the upper of the bag with yarn and needle. Okay, set your upper and sew with a needle. Now let's crochet a strap of the bag. Start the slip knot and chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. 3 times. Yarn over and pull up loop. 4 times. Yarn over and pull up loop. 5 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops except my first loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 3. Turn your work. Yarn over, insert your hook in the space of chains and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. And the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops except my first loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn your work. Yarn over, insert your hook in the space of chains and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. 3 times. 4 times. And the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops except my first loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Continue and continue until you reach the desired length. I reached my desired length. Now let's crochet the border of my strap. Chain 5. Now make a slip stitch in the middle of these 2 puff stitches. Make a slip stitch. chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, then make a slip stitch in the middle of these 2 puff stitches. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, then make a slip stitch in the middle of these 2 puff stitches. Continue until you crochet one side of the strap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, then make a slip stitch in this loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, then make a slip stitch in this loop. Chain 1 and 2, make a slip stitch in the middle of these 2 puff stitches. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, make a slip stitch in the middle. Keep going. At the end, chain 2, 1 and 2, make a slip stitch in this loop. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, then make a slip stitch in this stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then burn it and hide the tail end. I joined the push look to this bag. This is my swivel hooks bag hardware, and this is my D-ring bag hardware, and connect the back strap to swivel hooks back hardware. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. See you soon. Bye.